Now last two question of trigo as well as down lecture. Question number 9. Cosec A minus sin A sec A minus cos A equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A, right? 1 upon tan A. In this question, try to prove by LHS, solving LHS as well RHS. Now LHS is 1 upon cos sec is 1 upon sin A minus sin A. Okay, cos sec is 1 upon sin A minus sin A. Sec is 1 upon cos A minus cos A. Okay. Now LCM 1 minus sin square A upon sin A, 1 minus cos square A upon cos A. Now this square is there, then you can use formula. Then the formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And what about 1 minus sin square theta? 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta upon sin theta into what about 1 minus cos square theta? So શું વધે cos આ બાજુ છે તો sin, that is sin square theta upon cos theta. Now they are in a multiplication, so you can cut cos and cos cut, sin and sin cut. So in numerator sin theta into cos theta a છે, sorry a and a. So in sin A into cos A is left number 1. That is the simplification of LHS. Now RHS 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So 1 upon what is tan? Sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon sin A, that is formula sin cos, tan ne sin cos માં લઈ જાઓ. So now in denominator take LCM, sin square A plus cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A upon this into this upon sin A into cos A. Now denominator become numerator. So sin A into cos A in numerator and in denominator sin square A plus cos square A. But sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So in denominator is 1. So in a numerator sin A into cos A upon 1 is just sin A upon 1 is just sin A upon cos A is 2. So 1 and 2 both are same, hence it's proved. Okay. जो भी आना પછી આ ચેપ્ટર એટલે પહેલા કરાવ્યું કે આના પછી હવે હું જે ચેપ્ટર કરવાનો that is distance and height is purely based on trigo. આ આવડતું હશે તો આના પછીનું ચેપ્ટર આવડશે. ઓકે, કારણ કે આ ચેપ્ટર તો આપણે બધાને થઈ ગયું હતું તો બી ફરીથી કરાવ્યું આ. Now number 10, last sum, 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A, 1 minus cot A the whole square equal to tan square A. Means value of this and value of this, both the value is proved as tan square A. એટલે કે આ બી સમ કરવાનો, આન્સર must be tan square A આનો બી આન્સર tan square a. Now first option 1 plus tan square a 1 plus cot square a. Now square, we can use formula. Then what is formula? Is number 1. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So sec square a upon 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, is cosec square a. Right? હવે cosec ઉપર જાય તો sin square a અને sec નું ઊંધું sec નીચે જાય તો cos square a. Now sin upon cos is tan, that is tan square a. That is number 1. Here the first portion, first column answer is tan square a is proved. Now second column is 1 minus tan a 1 minus cot a the whole square. Now convert into sin cos. 1 minus sin a upon cos a 1 minus cos a upon sin a the whole square. Okay, now LCM cos minus sin, cos a minus sin a upon cos a upon sin a minus cos a upon sin a. LCM the whole square. Got it? Cos a minus sin a upon cos a, sin a minus cos a upon sin a is LCM. Now small circle and big circle together and the whole square. Cos a minus sin a into sin a, sin a cos a minus sin a. The bracket is cos a minus sin a into sin a. Now cos, this small circle together, cos into this bracket cos a, sin a minus cos a. Now if I want to cut this bracket but order is different, cos minus sin here, sin minus cos. In previous one of sum in I taught you how to make brackets same when the terms are reversed. तो શું કરવાનું? આ બંનેમાંથી માઈનસ ની સાઇન કોમન કરીએ તો cos a minus sin a ની જગ્યાએ sin a minus cos a થઈ જાય. sin a minus cos a, here cos a sin a minus cos a, but the whole square. Now bracket is exactly same, hence cut. So sin upon cos is tan, so minus tan a the whole square. But any negative number square is positive. So any negative number square is positive is tan. જ્યારે અંદર આપો તો minus minus plus tan square a. Then the answer is tan square a of second column also. Okay. Now doubts, આખા ચેપ્ટરના doubts જોઈ લઈએ. જે તમે હોમવર્કની સાથે doubts મોકલ્યા છે એ doubts કરાવું છું. ઓકે. ચલો. Now exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1. એમાં તમારા ડાઉટ્સ હતા ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 9 માં triangle ABC, right angle at B, ABC right angle at B, if tan A equal to 1 upon root 3, then find the value of એમાંથી કોઈ બી એક કરાવું છું. બે છે. સેકન્ડ વન cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C, that you have to find. Now A is angle, so is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Now tan A equal to P by B, that we know. Tan A is 1 upon root 3 equal to perpendicular is BC, P is, and B is AB. So let BC is 1x, BC is x, so AB is root 3x, BC is x and AB is root 3x. Chalo, it was exercise number 8.1. At that time I don't know what is the tan A if it is 1 upon root 3. Now after completing 2 and 3rd exercise, I know 1 upon root 3 of tan is 30. Then this sum can also be done by 30-60 degree થી બી થાય. એ હું તમને ફરીથી આ સમ ફરીથી કરીને સમજાવીશ. એક્ઝામમાં આવે તો આવી રીતે ટ્રાયંગલ પરથી ના કરાય. ઇટ્સ લોંગ પ્રોસેસ. ઓકે, નાઉ અપ્લાય પાયથાગોરસ થિયરમ in triangle ABC. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB is root 3x the whole square. BC is x the whole square is AC square. Square square root cancel. 3x square. Square root cancel. 3x square plus x square is AC square. So 4x square is AC square. So AC is equal to 2x. So AC equal to 2x. Right? Now જે આપ્યું છે એ લઈ લો. ચલો, on the basis of A લઈએ, કારણ કે A આપણે P B H આપણે ડિસાઈડ કરી દીધું છે. So cos A and sin A લઈ લઈએ. What is cos A? Cos A यानी B by H. Cos A यानी B by H is root 3x upon 2x. Cos A is, so x cancel. So cos A is root 3 by 2. Sin A is P by H. This P by H is x upon 2x. So sin A is 1 by 2. Got it? Now A ના હિસાબથી P અને B લખ્યા છે. Now C ના હિસાબથી, if I focus angle C, then C ની સામેની સાઈડ આ P થાય, આ B થાય. Right? Then cos C is B by H. Cos C is B by H is x upon 2x is 1 by 2. C ના હિસાબથી ચેન્જ કરો. So cos C is 1 by 2. And sin C is, sin C, sin यानी P by H is root 3x upon 2x. X cancel. So sin C is root 3 by 2. Now I have sin A, sin C, cos A, cos C. Now question, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. સમજમાં આવે છે? After finding all the three sides as per A angle કીધો હોય, if angle A, when angle A તમે focus કરો છો, means cos A and sin A, when you are finding cos A and sin A, at that time you have to focus angle A, and as per angle A, BC તેની સામેની સાઈડ આ P અને આ B થાય. But while when finding C, then you focus angle C, तो P आ થઈ જાય. A ના હિસાબથી આ P થાય, C ના હિસાબથી આ P and B થાય. At that time you can find sin C, C यानी C ની સામેની સાઈડ P, B, H. Right? Now cos A is root 3 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2. Sin A is 1 by 2. Sin C is root 3 by 2. यानी root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is 0 is your answer. Okay, same as other sum you have to do by yourself. Same sums છે sin a આમાં પણ sin a cos c first question maybe value same value you have to find and value are I already find and substitute in question number 1 same type of two question is asked. Now question number 10, 8.1 ma question number 10. Right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q is given in PQR, right angle at Q, and PR plus QR is 25 and PQ is 5. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. You have to find its value. Yani before finding any trigonometric ratio, you have to know all the three sides of the triangle, right? Now PQ is 5. Now PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Now one value PR plus QR is 25 is given. So PQ square, whatever the value is given, subject that. PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR, PR square minus QR square. And our side we go minus 5. Now PQ is 5 the whole square. Now A square minus B square formula. Without square, one time plus one time minus. That is PR plus QR. PR minus QR, same as in illustration. Our Xerox sum છે અને મેં કરાયો છે તમને. Is 25 is equal to PR plus QR value is given 25 is given and PR minus QR. When 25 in a denominator 25 upon 25 is PR minus QR. So PR minus QR is 1. A 1 type. Right? Now this equation is 1 and given equation 2. Eliminate both the equation. So PR plus QR is 25. Addition is 25 and the subtraction PR minus QR is 1. A 1 type. QR cancel. 2PR is 26. So PR is 26 by 2. So PR is 13. So PR is 13. Now substitute value PR 13 in any equation, or I know the triplets 5, 12, 13 है. Okay, ना खबर है तो substitute करिए. Substitute PR is equal to 13. Substitute in equation number 2. PR plus QR is 25. PR is 13 plus QR is 25. So QR is 25 minus 13. So QR is 12. Now after finding all three sides, I can find any trigonometric ratios. Now the angle is P. I have to focus is P, B and H. Right? Now sin P is P by H. P by H yani QR upon PR. QR upon PR. QR is 12 and PR is 13. So sin P is 12 by 13. Now cos P is B by H. B by H is 5 by 13. Got it? 5 by 13. And tan P is T by B. T by B, that is 12 by 5. Okay? चलो कंपल्सरी आ लेक्चर આજના લેક્ચરમાં જેટલા બી सम्स આવેલ છે મેં કરાયા that is all in homework. Got it? Doubts plus 2 to 3 sum the remaining what I taught you, that all the sums are in homework. Now state whether the following sentences are true or false. The first is true or false. The first is the value of tan A is always less than 1. Now I try to explain you A, B, C. Let it theta 3, 4 and 5. It's a triplets. Okay. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta any theta ni સામેની સામે P, B and H. So tan theta is 3 by 4 and 3 divided by P is 0 point something. Any value less than 1. Yes? But what about tan theta? આ 3 અને 4 છે, not necessary that is 3, 4. આ બી 4 બી હોઈ શકે, આ 3 બી હોઈ શકે. At that time the tan theta value is 4 by 3 is 1 point something. And what about isosceles right triangle R3 and R3 hoy to tan theta value P by B is 1, 3 by 3 is 1. So for same as cot theta, for tan theta and cot theta the value is never fixed. 1 be hoy, more than 1 or less than 1. It's not sure. It's depend on the sides. If two sides are same, then the value is 1. If P is greater, then the value is 1 point something any greater than 1. And the P is less, suppose 4 and 3 and P is less than base, then the value is 0 point something. Then is always less than 1. The statement is always less than 1? No, might be 1 or might be more than 1. So the statement is false. Reason is the tan theta value may be 1 if it is isosceles right angle triangle and may be more than 1 when perpendicular is more than base. Okay? Now second is false. First statement is false. Second statement, sec A is 12 by 5 for some angle A. Is it possible 12 by 5? What is sec A? Is reciprocal of cos. Cos A is B by H. So sec A is H by B. So 12 by 5. Yes, hypotenuse must be greater than the base. Hypotenuse मोटो होवो જોઈએ. Yes, it is possible that the hypotenuse is greater. Always in right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the greatest side. So yes, આમાં hypotenuse ઉપર આવે yani ઉપર મોટી side આવવી જોઈએ. So yes, hypotenuse is greater. Hence sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 value is possible. Because numerator is greater, yani hypotenuse is greater than base. Cos A is abbreviation. Cos A is the short form of cosecant. Cosecant. Now, cos A is the abbreviation of cosine. Cosine નું abbreviation cos થાય. And cosecant છે that is the abbreviation of cosec છે that is abbreviation of cosecant. So that is false. Cosine નું short form cos છે, cosecant નું cos નથી. So this is false. Cot A is number 4. Cot A is product of cot and A. No, cot theta. So cot theta, cot A is a single or united term. Cot and theta we cannot separate, right? So it is false because cot A is single or united term. Cot A without any angle we cannot represent. So cot A is a product of cot and A is false. Sin theta is 4 by 3. Chalo, is possible? No, it's false. Because sin theta is P by H. Is P by H. Then hypotenuse must be greater. Hypotenuse तो सौથી મોટો હોવો જોઈએ. Hypotenuse અહીંયા 3 કે છે અને perpendicular 4. The side must be less than hypotenuse. Hypotenuse must be the greatest side. But the hypotenuse here is represented as a 3. So sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 is never possible. It's false. Because hypotenuse must be greater than perpendicular. Now exercise 8.2 માં કોઈ ડાઉટ નથી તમારા? એમાં બી ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 4 જોઈએ. ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ટાઇપ્સ ઓફ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં તમારે વધારે ફોકસ કરવાનું છે because 20 માર્ક્સના કમ્પલસરી ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ્સ છે. ઓકે, એક્સરસાઇઝ 8.2. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Sin A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B. Then take any sin A and B. Let go A and B. Let A is 60 and B is 30. पर 90 થી ના વધારે ના જોવું જોઈએ હો. તો LHS લઈ લો. Sin 60 plus 30. So sin 90 is 1 from the box bracket LHS. Now RHS. Sin A plus sin B. So sin L આપણે લીધું છે, સપોઝ કરો ગમે તે લઈ શકો, A and B 30 45, the angle from the bracket on the box. 60 sin 30. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. 2 is LCM, 1 plus root 3. Here 1 and 1 plus root 3 both are not same, hence it is false. Okay. Value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Yes, it is true. Now in the box, look at sin theta 0, 30, 45 and 90. As theta increases, value of sin theta also increases. How? Sin 0 is a 0, mathi half, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 is 60 and 91. चलो आ बरीनी वैल्यू ने ना खबर पड़े, पर 0 माथी half माथी 1 तो थયું ने. As the angle increases, its value also increases, hence it is true. Now same value of cos theta increases as theta increases. False, because cos theta is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. As value of cos theta increases, value of cos theta increase or decrease? 1 माथी 0 3 છે, that is decrease as angle increase. As angle increases, theta increases, यानी as angle increases, cos theta value not increase is decrease, so it is false. Number 4. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Wrong. All values of theta, let theta be 30. So sin 30 is 1 by 2 LHS, and cos 30 sin 60 root 3 by 2. Do the value is equal? Sin theta equal to cos theta? No. For 30 degree is not for all value of theta, but value for 30 is not same. So this is wrong. For what value to theta is equal? 45. Theta 45 लेंगे. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. That value is same when theta is 45. But here it is stated that for all values of theta it is equal. Then it is false. For not value, all value for theta, only theta 45. At that value, sin theta and cos theta equal, except other value, for other values of the theta, they are not same. And the last is cot A is not defined. Cot A is not defined यानी infinity when A is 0 degree. यानी cot 0 શું થાય એ પૂછે છે. Cot 0 degree not defined. Yes, it is true. From the box. चलो હવે બે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ બાકી છે, હમણાં કરાવો.